Alright, what we have here is a pulsed electromagnetic field experiment where we will take a projectile and subject it to a very high magnetic pulse. The magnetic pulse will hopefully be only long enough in duration to the point where the projectile reaches the center of the magnetic field. Whenever that happens, the projectile should be moving at a pretty high velocity, and after which point the magnetic field will cease to exist, and the projectile will continue moving in an upward direction. So, I think we've got it just about lined up. Alright, I'm going to charge to, I'm only going to do 150 volts. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that didn't work at all. It didn't even move. Need more power?
More power.
I heard it kind of like jiggle. Alright, let's try. Actually, let me try a lower power first.
A lower power?
Yeah, I'll do 56 volts. Okay, so obviously the pulse is a little too short, and the magnetic field is not strong enough, so I guess we have to go higher power. May God help us. Now remember, this is an exponential curve, so 200 is almost twice as powerful as... Yeah, okay, this is going to be a lot bigger. 3, 2, 1. It just jiggled.
It just jiggled?
Jeez.
I still had some residual current.
Yeah, just making sure that it was... Okay, so definitely having some issues here. I'm wondering why it's not...
Could it not be in the center of the... so it's...
The last time that I did this, it shot up into the air, I was pretty sure. Yeah, I think I remember putting holes in my ceiling. Let's see. I'm going to do a tiny one. Let's see if this works.
That worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
Just barely.
Well, because you had a small amount of power.
Yeah.
So now let's...
Alright, so now we have to increase the height of it just by a little bit more. Okay.
You have like note cards?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I need like... But here's the thing though, the pulse duration should last the same amount of time because oh, we have playing cards that aren't here.
I told you that earlier. Rip the playing cards box in half and use the cardboard sides of the box.
That's why you're helping me. Rip the cardboard's box in half and play with the cards.
The cards that aren't there.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going for take 2.
This is technically take like 4.
Yeah. Take 2 of the working thing. Oh. Sorry. That was like some giant bug.
Yep, there's a giant bug called the...
Computer screen?
Yeah, the computer.
Alright, let's see if we can seat this. Oh, jeez, come on, really now? Really?
Here. Does this have enough weight behind it? Over here. Does this have enough weight behind it to put one behind?
That's a problem, because that's a magnetic.
Fine. Okay.
Hang on, maybe this will work. Yeah. Yeah, that works. That should work perfectly, actually. Oh, yes. I'm the great Cornelius. Okay. Just trying to get it lined up properly. Ah, come on. Ah. Okay, there we go. That's gonna have to be good enough. Alright, we're gonna go for, let's do 150. Oh, jeez, are you okay? Okay, Yeah.
Yeah, so I touched this. Don't do that. Because, like,
Right.
ow.
Yeah. Alright, let me discharge.
Okay, let me not do that.
Okay. That scared the living crap out of me. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Jeez. Alright, we're expecting me to die, and then Wesley jumps all over it all of a sudden.
Okay, let me like like farther away from this.
Is that your first electrocution?
No, I've been electrocuted before.
Okay.
Like I told you, I played with capacitors and stuff with my dad.
Okay. Alright.
We had one. It was really old, so we had one capacitor like spewing smoke into the air. That was pretty scary.
These are more fun than that.
Yeah, because they actually work.
Yes. Fireworks are fun until they're not fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's try that again.
Without me?
Yeah.
Without me?
This time without
Okay.
the incident. Alright. I love how fast that climbs up.
Yeah.
It actually slows down into the higher voltages once you start getting up that high. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Alright.
It's.
They probably couldn't hear it in the thing.
Where was it?
Just be careful where you swing your feet, okay?
Yeah. It's over here in this dark corner. I saw it bounce over here, but
It definitely hit the ceiling.
yeah, it definitely bounced off the ceiling. That was pretty awesome.
Alright, so we're getting closer now.
Yeah.
Alright. There's something else I could do with this too. Oh, I can magnetize things. I forgot about that. Since it's a pulsed electromagnet.
So keep my guess is you'd keep something in the middle of it instead of having it under it. Keep something in the middle so it doesn't launch it
Alright,
anywhere.
so for example, I hope this is a magnetic thing, but alright, so we've got a screw here and a BB. And it's not doing anything. Oh. Actually, it kind of looks like... What the...
I think screws are slightly magnetic, so when they touch another screwdriver, which is also slightly magnetic, they will hold together better.
Maybe. Okay.
So it is
I
doing
guess
something.
we'll try and magnetize it even more then, in that case. Alright. And we're gonna go for a big pulse on this one. Because we want multiple Teslas, which is a unit of magnetic field strength. Alright, so just be careful where you are. Watch out, dude.
Not up there. Yeah, no, I'm watching out.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, jeez, it's stuck.
Well, you fused them together.
Okay. Alright, hopefully this will be a little bit stronger. Barely.
Yeah, barely. So I'm guessing it wouldn't be enough to pick this screw up with something.
Some materials are harder to magnetize
Yeah.
than others, definitely. That was what I would call a field experiment, but you know what, whatever. So, I mean, I can take like a normal knife and like turn it into like a super magnet. Not really, but that is pretty fun to do that. I'm gonna try and get this launcher thing working again.
Yeah, this is like almost about. Yeah, almost about. That's proper grammar. It's about as long as the video can be, or else it won't load up from my phone.
Okay. Yeah. Cancel.
So,
Okay.
this has been Science with Max, or what's your YouTube channel?
Talk to yourself.
Talk to yourself.
Or
Yeah,
Max
watch.
Home Tech for you.
Yeah, watch his stuff. It's really awesome.